y'all, it is January 9th. The scene y'all seen earlier before this scene was actually filmed earlier today. They were spraying the roads for ice. Okay, so today, like I said, is Thursday, January 9th. It's about almost 11 p.m. I have not filmed in a couple of days. I actually been doing a lot of live streams. I haven't filmed in a couple of days, and yeah, I'm just picking it up today, and really ain't did much today or whatnot. But I got some stuff I need to do tonight. But anyway, I don't know how much rain or snow, or if we get any here on the east, well, where I am in Jacksonville. Yes, the East Coast is gonna get it, but I'm coastal, so it's like they don't really know what is gonna happen. I know they have it for us. Rain supposed to start about 5 p.m. tomorrow evening, and like I say, they started spraying the roads today in my area. So yeah, definitely don't know what's gonna go on with that. I hope everybody stays safe and all that good stuff. If you ain't gotta be out on the road, don't be out on the road, because that's dangerous. And black ice is really dangerous, you know, because definitely gonna be some ice on the road. So y'all make sure y'all stay vigilant and stay safe, okay? Don't be out there. I hope everybody gonna have water and stuff that they need up in their house in case the stores are closed, because with Mother Nature, you really just can't. They can predict the weather and stuff, but you really just don't always know. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. Hey honey buns, so came out here to make sure the chickens and whatnot is good, and this is what we noticed. The hose is already frozen. It will not turn at all. It will not turn. So it's already froze. Yeah, you can feel it. The hose pipe is froze, y'all. Froze. And normally we would try to get all the water out of it. It froze before we could do that. That's the normal thing, so you don't have your hose pipe busting. So I don't know how that's gonna go, because we was not at home for most of the day. Look at this. All this is frozen. All this is frozen, and I cannot see down there and see what my bok choy is doing. Oh my goodness. So yeah, y'all, so I wasn't thinking earlier today before we end up leaving the house to make sure that the water was out the hose, because they had used the hose recently, and it is what it is. That's my mistake. Come on girl, you already know. Like, my mistake. It is what it is to be like that. So it's frozen now. I just hope they don't pop. I hope they don't pop, but if they do, I just have to replace it. It's life. It is what it is. So I ain't gonna stress about nothing, you know, like that. So yeah, but it's cold out there. It say it feels like 20 degrees. We are under a weather advisory. It says, let's see if I can pull up the weather. Let's see. It says 27 degrees right now, and it feels like, let's say 28, it feels like 19. So y'all know how I feel. If it feels like 19, baby, it's 19.
I don't wanna be giving too much away just yet. Don't wanna be spilling my guts to someone I just met. But I say this much, I got a real good feeling. Yes, I do. Real good feeling. You say you've been burned a few times now. Well, so have I. You say just two lonely souls meeting at a laundromat. Two lonely souls wanting love.
Hey y'all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching this vlog, okay? So today is January 10th. It's almost 11 a.m. I got some oatmeal on. Everybody is still at laying down. The kids got up, did their to-do work for the day for class, because this week they didn't have no classes, no live classes. They had like their math, English tests, like coming back after the break. They had like little tests and whatnot that had to be done, so they did that throughout the week. But today is Friday, like I say, January 10th, 2025. And they just had like a little bit of classwork to do, so they went on and did that. Now they laying back down. Like I said, I put on the oatmeal and just straightening up a little bit. Now I did, what you are gonna notice is I got rid of my treadmill. I'm gonna get something that's a little bit better eventually. So that is one reason why I have not been doing the workout or whatnot, is because I'm getting rid of it, you know. So it seemed like it wasn't the same once that I started having issues with the lubing situation or whatnot, and I'm just not gonna deal with that. I'm not gonna waste money and all that type of stuff. So that opened up my living room back up. It is all back spacious, and what I get for as working out or whatnot, it's gonna be something that can sit in here like a walking pad or something like that. So I'll definitely be looking for one of those. That way I don't have to move my furniture, because I had moved this because I have a sectional, so I have pieces. So two of the pieces had came right here, and it was just kind of like a L shape or whatnot, so the treadmill could sit there. So it worked out, because it was also bulky anyway. So me opening it up, I got to straighten up. I'll just show y'all. Me opening it up, got it like this. Okay. And then get back to me. I don't even know if you was able to see good. So I should have put this thing down. Let me see what y'all saw. Let's see. Okay, yeah, y'all was able to see what I'm talking about. Okay. So so yeah, so it opened it back up, and then I don't feel all bunched in or whatnot. So that worked out. So, we're actually getting ready for this freeze. We're supposed to get freezing rain, and they say snow about 5 p.m. today. So we're getting ready for that. I don't think we're gonna get much, because we're coastal, but you never know. It keeps changing. They don't know, so we shall see. But like y'all saw, our I don't know if it's gonna be the beginning of this vlog or if it was the previous vlog, but you saw eventually by now, if you made it to this part of the video, whether you saw it on this one or the previous one, you saw where our hose pipe and stuff was frozen. So matter of fact, I need to go back out there and see. I'm pretty sure it still is, because it's cold. Okay, so eventually I'll go out there today to see if I can get a turn on it. I don't want to do it too much and then it just like that. So I'll see if I can get a turn on it. I don't even know how cold it is right now, but it was very cold overnight. The wind chill was really bad.
While I say this much, I got a real good feeling. Yes, I do.
Alright y'all, so we came out to do some gig work or whatnot, and it is 3:30, and guess what, we having a little bit of rain and a little bit of snow or ice or whatnot. So definitely, if it get too bad, we will not be out here because safety first, but it just started. Because I was saying we probably ain't gonna get down. We'll see how much we actually get being here coastal, because they've been flip-flopping, but we shall see. All right, y'all, so it is now 4:43 and it's sleet. Oop, y'all saw that? The ice? It is sleeting. So, yep, it's straight ice. Now, this is what the sky look like, so we shall see. The roads is not bad. Some areas is salty. They treated yesterday. The ice is popping in here. Y'all can see it popping up.